don't mind those things. It's just, I don't know this one anymore. And this one will not be green, it will turn into like maybe a different color, but I don't know what color it is. It might be like black or maybe a dark color or purple or green or dark green. I don't know what color it's gonna exactly be. It's actually turning a little bit blue. I think it's this. Once you get that, oh my gosh. But this is actually the activator. This is the activator. Now, yeah. Now it's what is shampoo. Any shampoo can do, but I have the coconut shampoo, and like you can use any shampoo, but I'm using coconut shampoo. I know a lot of times. Looks like it's gonna be like a blue. It's gonna be a dark blue. Look, dark blue. And I'll be right back after a while with you. Okay, guys. Now, this is a top. I think I'm pretty. You're pretty. You know? Let me. Wait. I overactivated, so I have to force to activate it out. So I just force it out. Now I'm gonna stick it out of the bag. Like, oh wait! I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get rice. Put it in there. My grandpa won't mind if I go to his rice. He just has rice in here. I don't know why. Ooh. Let's put some in this one. Now let's put the rice in. It kind of got a little on my hands, but that's okay. You know, ready to see the slime? Oh, the rice is falling out. The rice is falling out. It's actually only good, but it's a really color. Oh, let's put a little toy in it. Be right back. Okay. I'm gonna put this toy in. This toy. Kind of have slide in it because I already put the slide put it on one. Look, see? I found it. I already put it on the side, but I'm like, oh yeah, I have to get it. So this is what I'm putting in. Drop it in. No, I just want to have foam. It is. I'm just gonna add like 2 drops. Oh, you took a beat. So you guys ready to see beautiful slime? Put a little foam, you see foam. Oh wait. Guys, look. put thing. This is rice. Rice, but it's covered up with slime. It's just a rice. Maybe I could uncover it. I'll have this. Got the rice here now. I'm going to have a tiny rock collection. So I'm gonna put this rock in there. A little bit. Just like rock in here. But this slime is really good. Kind of risky. And the rice is falling everywhere. Literally everywhere. Slime. It was so crazy. That was out of it in the plastic. We got this bucket container with the extra after it. Oh yeah, this is the bees I put in there. Oh my god. Like the bees. I can't find the toy. Everything is fine around me. Oh yeah, the stove looks disgusting. Oh, that's like milk. There's like a more different. Oh yeah, I still have the toy in here. Look. It's false. Hold up. Since it has rice in it, it's not really pokey. Can you hear it? This can is still has some acid in it. It's a lot of mixing. It's a lot of mixing to get it to get beautiful. Glorious. Yeah. It took like a long time. I like it. It's like whatever the fuck. If you haven't watched any of my videos, go watch them now. Maybe you can watch, I don't know, you can watch any video you want. But, like say you like, subscribe, comment down below. What's your favorite type of slime? And don't forget to subscribe, press that bell and subscribe button to be notified every time I do a video.